everyone. So today we will be discussing a very important concept in chemistry. A HESS'S law. Make sure to watch and listen carefully because it will help you to understand how energy changes in chemical reaction works.
So what is HESS'S law? HESS'S law states that the total enthalpy change of a chemical reaction is the same, no matter how many steps the reaction is carried out in. In simple terms, whether a reaction happens in one step or multiple steps, the total heat change will always be the same.
This is because enthalpy is a state function, which means it only depends on the initial and final states, not on the path taken.
For example, if we convert carbon and oxygen into carbon dioxide, carbon plus oxygen gas yields to carbon dioxide. The enthalpy change is the same whether we do it directly or through several smaller reactions.
Now, let's solve a simple problem using Hess' law.
Gwapo lagi ka ng Pilipina ay perting hinay mo lagi. Na?
So now, where can we use HESS'S law in real-life scenario?
So, in real life, the HESS'S law can be used. First is in fuel and energy industry. HESS'S law is used to calculate the heat produced when fuels like gasoline or coal are being burned. So, imagine yourself burning gasoline in your car's engine. The gasoline reacts with oxygen to produce heat, water, and carbon dioxide. So, with that being said, the HESS'S law says that total heat produced in this reaction is the same, no matter how many times or how many steps the reaction takes.
Material production. Engineers use HESS'S law when manufacturing materials like cement, steel, and glass to measure the energy requirements.
Environmental science is used to analyze the energy flow and chemical processes and their environmental impact, such as in the combustion of fossil fuels.
Another example of where we can apply HESS law in real life is in the food industry. It helps in determining the calorie content of food. since energy changes happen in sunlight.
And that's all about his laws. We hope you learned something today. Don't forget whether the reaction happens in one step or many steps. The total enthalpy change remains the same.